Ako naman po ang natutunan, feeling ko ng character ni Angel tungkol sa pagmamahal na it's so powerful that it can forgive. Kasi sa dulo, pinili niyang patawarin ang mga magulang niya. Pinili niyang, she chose to look at the bigger picture. And she was happy for the both of them, having new partners, di ba? Inaccept niyang lahat yon. Kahit syempre may konting lungkot kasi nga broken family na. Pero she chose to forgive kasi nga nakita niya na love knows no boundaries. No age, no gender, hindi ba? So yun yung feeling kong naging mas deeper understanding ng character ko. Kaya inaccept niya yung sarili niya, inaccept niya yung parents niya, the situation, at punong-puno siya ng pagmamahal. Thank you.
Congrats po, Direk. I think ito na po yung warmest and parang softest na film ni Direk Brillante.
Kakaibang Brillante Mendoza movie, di ba? Okay.
Walang pataya.
Walang poverty, walang political. But it is a love story told on the big screen for the love man. Bago ko po ituloy yung mga katanungan natin sa ating friends, Barbie, gusto natin tatanungin, ano pakiramdam mo na makatrabaho mo ang dalawang iconic and legendary actresses, Miss Charo and Miss Boots?
Haligi, yon, haligi po. Sabi ko nga po, it's a dream come true for me to be part of this very beautiful project. And I think this film reminds me why I do what I do. Diba? Parang sa gitna ng ingay ng showbiz at mga requirements sa akin bilang artista, itong pelikulang ito ang nagsisilbing reminder para sa akin kung bakit ako nag-artista. And that is to make films like this.
Oh, yeah. That's Barbie. Thank you, Barbie. Our next question will...
Which moment in the movie stayed with you the most? Or what scene made you feel most proud after watching it back?
Anybody wants to answer the question?
Barbie.
Barbie po. Siguro po yung eksena na nung namatay na po si Lola Concha and then I had to wear her dress. Tapos yung eksena yun. Kasi kung po ako nagkakamali, ano po siya, yung majority po ng shooting namin, natapos na po siya ng August. Tapos yung eksenang yun, parang shoot po namin ng, parang nag-additional shoot po tayo, direct ano. Tapos yung, yes, naging October po yung eksenang yun. So parang sabi ko, napagpag ko na yung character, kailangan ko bumalik. So, yung isa yun sa mga hindi ko makakalimutan kasi sobrang saya ko sa naging resulta ng eksena kasi kahit paano nakabalik ako, kahit na-wrap na namin yung shoot, nagkaroon kami ng additional shoot and hindi nahalata na malayo yung gap ng shoot. And
The question is for Barbie, Sharon. Would you say it's easier to do a movie without having to memorize it?
No. No.
Barbie first, Barbie.
I agree with Miss Age. No. Hindi po siya madali dahil parang ito yata ang aking only project na wala pong script. Outline, yes, meron po. Pero masasabi ko na I am proud that I have done a film like this. Kasi ngayon, pag gumagawa ho ako ng proyekto kay pelikula o teleserye, parang nabobore na tuloy ako na may script. Parang dami ko nang gustong idagdag. Parang, yes, yung parang, parang masyadong ibahin ko nga. May ganun na. So proud akong masasabi kong parang nakapag-masterclass ako kay Direk Brillante.
Charo?
premiering film, when the film comes out and it is for the public to get to know and to parang pick apart, what would you want for the younger queer people or the younger people in general na ma-take and yung core message na maalala nila when they remember or like once they watch the film po?
Siguro po, itataas ko po ang bandera ng aming mga kabataan, di po ba? Nakita nyo naman kung paano kagaling sumagot ang ating mga kabataan, si Bianca and si Angel. So feeling ko, dahil matatalino na po ang mga kabataan, I think this is the time to educate our parents to accept this kind of love. Kasi it starts there, nakita nyo naman sa flashback, di ba? Na yung tatay talaga ang kontrabida. Hindi. Sinisi pa yung pagkamatay ng nanay. Huy! Bakit ako yan? Yung ganon. So I think as eloquent and as articulate our young generations are today, I think we should take a stand and take a step forward as to how we will educate our parents and yung mga matatandang generation na hindi naman siya masama. Love nga siya, powerful nga siya, beautiful nga siya. So, i-embrace natin, i-accept natin para walang hinanakit at para mas maging proud tayo sa mga anak natin. Yan po. Thank you.
To Barbie, Miss Cara, and Miss Rose.
Bakit dapat panoorin? Napanood niyo po kasi napakatahimik ng pelikula pero it talks about a lot of things. It speaks volumes about a lot of things. Family, growth ng isang bata, iba't ibang klase ng pagmamahal, our society today, where it stands. So para sa akin, na-sum up niya lahat ng mga issues natin today, pero in a quiet approach, kumbaga, at punong-puno ng pagmamahal at depth. And parang ngayon po kasi bilang avid moviegoer din ako, at marami na rin ho akong napapanood na pelikula, parang lahat explosive lahat, di po ba? Maingay, o party-party, ganyan, or barilan, or di po ba, maingay, or chaotic masyado. Ito, the beautiful story was told quietly, but full of heart. And I think it is something that must be seen in the cinema. Kasi, di ba, ang sinehan, it's a communal experience. And ang saya. Kasi kanina, di ba, na-experience nating lahat, parang hindi natin ma-express ng totoo yung emosyon natin. Parang punong-puno ng emosyon yung mga puso natin, pero hindi natin ma-express. Ang saya to get to share that with everyone tonight. Yun ang na-feel ko buong pelikula with everyone. So sana ganun din ang maramdaman ng audience natin once they watch the film. Yan po. Thank you.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen,
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for the film Until She Remembers. And we would also like to acknowledge the presence of Sir Ding Dong Dantes and Sir Alvin Richards. I see Sir Christopher Martin and Miss Bea Benene in the house as well. Please do settle down because we will be having a 10-minute talk back session with our friends from the press and the full cast. Please get your questions ready for our press and talk back session in about 10 minutes. But I would also like to take the opportunity to SM Cinema, our official venue partner, Federated Distributors Inc. and Solar Resources Inc., our film partners. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for our film.
Look here, photo. Closer. Mama, photo please with Machi Rebecca.
Hello po, hello po. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ready, ma'am? Closer. Ma'am, photo with Rebecca. Ma'am, one photo with Auntie Rebecca. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Mama, 3, 2, 1. Suka, 1. Uno, dos.
This is us after the premiere of
This is
Until.
okay. This is us after the premiere. This is us after the premiere of Until She Remembers.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. The boots. My brother Monchi.
Diana, si Madam, bababa paalala. Hindi ako makalabas.
may we request the presence of our cast to please come down
Ayan na siya, Diana.
and prepare for the program session.
Pahiram lang, habang nag-announce. Pahiram lang habang nag-announce.
Once again, may we request the presence of our dear cast members to please proceed to our press table. So Martinez, Barbie Forteza, Miss Charo Santos Concho, and Miss Boots Anson Roa.
I'll tell them to remind you, yes. Enrica here and your nephew. Congratulations to all your kids. We'll see you on Saturday. Yes.
Dong.
Hi, Mel.
Ako pwede ka mag-photo with Tita Boots and Tita Lara. Isang mabilis lang. Photo lang. Atid ko lang po si Ding Dong kay Ma'am Charo and Tita Boots para lang may photo of souvenir.
May we request since the presence of every session and have your questions ready.
Photo with Ding Dong.
All right, don't you worry. We'll be giving everybody a chance to ask their questions.
Congratulations.